time. It's worse without the dog as well.
Yeah.
So you see him just like randomly walk into frame. I've got in the...
No, that's what Ben's here for. He's just crawl into frame.
Right, so we're here at AWTuning in Sidcup once again. The car is up on the ramp, and here is the new springs that we've got going on. So, yeah, talk us through what's going to happen.
Well, got the technicians here. They're going to pull the wheels off, get you your springs fitted. Can't remember what the Eibach springs were now.
I think they're about 30 mil, yeah.
Yeah, so it'd be a nice drop, really. Yeah. Should be just what it needs to go with the spacers and that. So
yeah. Spacers are, I think, 13 front, 16.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, 13, 16. So yeah, put these on and should just get it sitting perfect.
Yeah. So there we are, there's the finished product then. With the spacers on, 13 mil front and 16 mil back, it makes a huge difference to the stance of the car overall. And I think this is how I wanted it looking from the start. So it's a 30 mil drop on these springs. It just looks so much better. And I think honestly, with a bit more extra, maybe the side skirts need doing now and the front splitter, I'm not too sure, but this rear diffuser really sets it off as well. Yeah, the gap is just perfect. It handles nicer as well. It's not too low, it doesn't catch. So overall, it's completely ideal.
Then it is a little bit more firm, this suspension, but now it's had time to settle. I've had it on for about 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks maybe. It's definitely improved a little bit. I get a little bit of creaking here and there, which is a little bit annoying, but a bit of a characteristic of these springs. But overall, it's nice. Like, it's got an extra little edge of firmness to it, which gives me confidence in the bends, but it's not annoyingly firm. Like, it's not crashy, which is what I didn't want to go for. That's kind of why I didn't want coilovers. Obviously, this is my daily driver. I don't want anything too firm and harsh that's going to kill me every time I go over a pothole. Some of the driving I've been doing recently as well, you should see the potholes that I've been covering over in this. I'm always worried I'm going to crack a wheel or something, especially on these 20-inch alloys. But yeah, we're coming up to a twisty bit here. Round this corner I should then have some visibility, and I'll be able to give it a little bit of beans and see what it feels like in the bends now with this new, here we go, suspension. Yeah, I've got a bit more confidence. There's a bit less body roll. I can feel that it's, in terms of the actual compliance of the car, it feels a little bit less twitchy. Yeah, and it's not too low that I'm worried about it bottoming out on this slightly uneven surface either, which is good. Yeah, it's nice. I think overall the stance looks so much better as well. Just that 30mm drop makes all the difference. And I've always had good experience with Eibach suspension. Like, their kits are relatively affordable and they just provide that nice little drop, a little bit of extra edge, but not too firm. And that's exactly what I was going for with this car. So there we have it, guys. The new suspension fitted on the Audi. I definitely recommend it, to be honest. It's not that unaffordable when you consider all of the expensive options for coilovers and things like that. If you're going to be using this as your daily, you just want it to look a little bit better, you just want it to drive that little bit sharper, then this sort of kit is a really great investment. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.